Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get data from TradingView to Excel. First, navigate to your desired chart on TradingView. Locate the Export Chart Data option, usually found in the Chart Settings or a right-click menu. Select the time, frame, and specific data points you wish to export. This process allows you to quickly download a CSV file containing your chosen historical data, ready for use. Once you have your CSV file, open Microsoft Excel. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon and select from text/CSV. Browse to the location where you saved your TradingView data file and click Import. Excel will then present a preview of your data. Ensure the delimiter is correctly identified, usually a comma, to separate your columns properly. After importing, you might need to format your data. Adjust column widths, change number formats for prices or volumes, and ensure dates are recognized correctly. Excel's powerful features allow you to perform calculations, apply formulas, and create pivot tables for in-depth analysis. You can also generate various charts, like line graphs or candlesticks, to visually represent market movements. For more advanced users, TradingView's Pine script allows you to create custom indicators and strategies, which can also generate data for export. Additionally, several third-party applications and APIs can automate the process of pulling real-time or historical data directly into Excel, offering more dynamic solutions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This comprehensive approach ensures you have all the data you need for your trading analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.